When you search for your name on Google, does your name reflect who you are or your profile, or there are set 20 people with the same names? Or for example, if somebody is searching for you on LinkedIn, are you being seen over there? Or different people having same names or similar names will come in that particular search. So what happens is a lot of people have been coming to me, and my students are also coming to me, that a lot of times the recruiters are trying to find out them, or trying to find out the candidate, but they are not able to get the candidate. Now the biggest problem is you are not active on LinkedIn, you are active on Instagram or Snapchat. And LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. If you're not present on LinkedIn and not active on LinkedIn, how the hell you think that my profile will be seen? I'm going to share you 5 tips, and these tips will help you to get your profile reflected. So the first tip over here is complete your LinkedIn profile. I mean, complete all those 15 parameters: your photo, your photo DP, your banner, your headline, your job, uh, whether you're searching out for job, you're not searching out for job, your skills, your profile summary, then each of your experiences. As you complete your experiences, get people to give you recommendations, then follow different groups, join different groups. I have entire course ready of those all 14 to 15 different parts that you have to fill. You need to go through that course, complete your LinkedIn profile, and once this is done, then only one task is done. My friends, that's only one task is done. The second task is you need to start getting connected to hiring managers. I have created a small video also, how do you find out hiring managers. Check out that video. It will help you. You use hashtags like hiring alert and all. Who is going to post hiring alert as a hashtag? Only the recruiters are going to post it. So you connect with them, follow them, and whenever they are posting, start engaging with them. It's one of the best way to get noticed. People think, and lot of people have a misconception that you need to start posting. Before you start posting, first start commenting. At least you will know that what to need to speak, how do you give quality comment. And commenting gives a ego brush to the recruiters, and once you comment, they are going to definitely going to come and see your profile. That's where they will see that okay, you are on lookout for a job and this is the position that you're looking on. This is how you'll get noticed. I'll bet you, if you invest every day, say 1 hour, at least 1 hour, your job is done. You don't need to do anything else. Just invest 1 hour on LinkedIn, complete your profile, then start engaging with recruiters, then start commenting on their posts, start also posting, participate in groups, learn what the industry is doing, learn, and most importantly, activate your profile on LinkedIn. Is I am looking out for opportunities, because if you don't activate that, nobody knows that you're looking out for job. So that is the main thing. People don't check out you on Naukri. All the recruiters will first check out your profile on LinkedIn, whether you're open to look out for job. And if you're open to look out for job, only then they will connect with you. It's pretty simple hack. I hope this hack will help you. I'm your coach Moses, and I have a course. The entire course is free of cost for all of you. It is about how do you create your LinkedIn profile. I have also have different videos in this video channel, and I'll share you tips about how to create resume and how to apply for jobs, how to use AI to apply for jobs. But the first and foremost thing to do all this thing is LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you need to stand out. Whether on Naukri, you need to stand out. You need to stand out to get noticed, and this is how you need to get started. I hope this helps you. Thanks for joining in today. Do meet me in the next video.